I'm Seth with Concrete Designs. There are several myths, misconceptions, and half-truths about concrete countertops that we're constantly asked about. Some of these are reviews about less than reputable contractors. Some are reviews from stone countertop companies who have their own agendas. There are also published articles that base opinions on outdated materials and products that underperform when compared to the high-quality products we use today. The truth is, the technology in concrete countertop mixes and sealers has improved drastically over the past decade, and it continues to change every year. So, let's break it down and dispel a few of these myths. Number 1, concrete cracks. Even flat workers will tell you the concrete cracks. Well, true. But we're not working with your everyday, normal concrete that you see rolling down the highway in the back of a cement truck. Today's concrete countertop mixes are highly modified concretes that are very dense, and they cure out over 10,000 psi. That's 2 to 3 times stronger than the same concrete that you park your car on every day when you get home. The other big advancement is the use of glass fiber reinforced concrete, or GFRC, instead of using rebar or wire mesh, which honestly in a countertop doesn't do anything but hold the countertop pieces together after it cracks. Fiber reinforced concrete works to actually prevent cracking. And believe it or not, the fiber reinforcement actually gives concrete flexibility, allowing the concrete to flex as much as 1 to 2 inches over a few feet before it fails. We have tested our fiber reinforced concrete. For example, a 1-inch thick, 3 foot by 1 foot piece of concrete supported over 500 pounds before it failed. And if you ask me, that's a lot of weight for an ordinary countertop. Utilizing GFRC, we recently cast and installed a concrete top that measured 4 feet by over 16 feet long and was no more than 1 inch thick throughout the field. We installed the piece without a single crack. The second myth, concrete stains. It's porous. I heard that it's not safe for food. Don't you have to seal it all the time? Again, technology. When concrete tops first started to gain popularity, the go-to finish was to apply an acrylic sealer and finish it with a beeswax. First, acrylic sealers are soft and the molecular structure of it resembles lattice or a grid, where the holes in the grid are actually larger than a molecule of water. Well, if water passes through, how does it seal? The key is to put multiple layers of sealer on top of each other. This creates a maze for your water particle to follow before it can get to your concrete. And then the kicker is to finish it with a coat of beeswax that essentially plugs the holes in the acrylic sealer. It worked fine back then, but it's not waterproof and it will stain. Also, because it's so soft, it has to be refinished as much as every 6 months to a year. Unfortunately, this is what a lot of our myths and misconceptions about stained concrete countertops comes from. Today there are sealers that resist stains from nearly all of your household materials. They hold up to scratches and heat, and some of them have lifespans that last many years. And if it is a sealer that is designed for concrete countertops, it's safe for food, and it won't grow anything. The third myth, don't I have to reinforce my cabinets? Isn't it heavy? No. GFRC countertops are countertops that have 1.5 to 3 inch or even bigger edge. But throughout the field of your countertop, your thicknesses range from 3/4 of an inch to an inch, depending on the application. That thickness and that design averages out to only about 10 to 12 pounds per square foot, much lighter than granite. Number 4, concrete won't go with my decor or my style. Really? Concrete can be colored to virtually any color and pattern. There are many edge styles from rough rock to super fancy dentile and OG edges. The best quality of concrete is that it can take virtually any shape. So if you don't think it can fit your style, go visit a concrete artisan's showroom and explore the possibilities. Myth number 5, isn't the process messy? Most of your concrete artisans have moved to precast concrete, where the top is actually cast in the artisan's shop and not your house. There are several benefits to this. Number one, very little mess in your house except for during the installation, which throughout the whole process is not that messy. Number two, the contractor can control the environment, resulting in better, more consistent finishes. Number three, precasting creates a smoother surface than casting in place. Myth number 6. Aren't concrete countertops cheap? It is just concrete after all. While concrete has an inherent image of being inexpensive, the use of specialized materials drastically increases cost. Not to mention, the concrete artisans are creating your countertops from nothing. Concrete countertops are handcrafted. Great artisans have a passion for creating truly unique works of art. Concrete countertops can require from anywhere from 10, even up to 50 or more man-hours to form, cast, finish, and install, which is why concrete can typically range from $80 to over $100 per square foot, but the end result is a guaranteed one-of-a-kind finish. Conversely, natural stone, like granite, is simply mined, shipped across the world, and cut to fit your cabinets, creating thousands of identical countertops. So, in the end, be unique. Concrete can be a great way to express yourself and create the perfect durable look that will be the envy of all your friends. I hope this video has helped to dispel some of the common myths and misconceptions about concrete countertops so that you can make a better informed material choice for your next project. Thanks for watching.